Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and immediately unlocking the app with your PIN or biometric. This is required to reveal secure folders. Once in, stay in the Chats tab and tap the three-dot menu at top right or your profile icon. Apps place privacy items there. Make sure to scan the menu for a direct locked chats entry or a privacy submenu that contains locked conversations. If you find the label, tap it now, because that opens the protected folder where you keep concealed threads. Once done, the app will prompt you to authenticate again for the locked area, provide the passcode, fingerprint, or face unlock so you can proceed. After authentication, you'll see the list of locked threads. WhatsApp often hides message previews, so rely on contact names and timestamps. Make sure to use the folder's internal search if you have many entries. Searching by the contact name or keyword is faster. Also note why messages look different. Previews are suppressed to protect privacy. To finish, tap a locked conversation to open it. You can read messages normally after authentication. If you need the chat back in the main list, open the chat, tap the chat menu, and choose Unlock or Move out of locked chats. This returns it to the regular Chats tab. Make sure to back up before drastic steps. If you can't find the locked chats folder at all, update WhatsApp, check privacy settings for locks, or reinstall after creating a backup. That usually resolves visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.